Page 237, Für Elise, whatever. Very famous piece by Beethoven. We get to try and harmonize to this. They're giving us the chord names. It's a 3/8 time, so the 16th notes are getting half a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and here. Fingering wise, I finger this a certain way. You finger it a certain way. I don't care. Just connect the notes. Well, recognize it? That's really all we're doing. The chords, well, we're in either C major or A minor, and it sounds like it's an A minor to me, so I'm guessing that's what it is. It's going to stay in A minor, I'm guessing. Doesn't have to. I think maybe in the third line we may go into C major. Here, just temporarily. But the chords. In C at the beginning means no chord. It means be quiet. And then on the second full measure, you get an A minor chord. Here, I'm just doing block for now. And then an E chord, and then A minor, E, that's fun. The measure 10, now we get a C chord. G7, I'm doing the inversions because I'm too lazy to move. Here. And then an A minor chord, and then an E chord, and now we're back into whatever we were at the beginning, A minor. Okay, put it together. What do we got? Well, it's here. So there's nothing there. This is it. Here, E. Here. Let's go on. Measure 10, or it's C. Back to doing like we were at the beginning. Now they suggest the broken chords. And going on, it's a measure 9 going into 10. And that's basically what they're suggesting. That's fine. And this piece does kind of do this. It just kind of rolls along here. So it's just a constant flow of notes, broken chords, arpeggios, and so forth. In this section, there's other sections that are different melodies, and they get a little different. They want you to transpose this to G minor because you're not having enough fun in A minor. So let's go down to G minor. G minor has 2 flats, B flat and A flat, and we're going to use the F sharp because we're using harmonic minor. So all the notes in the music go down 1. Instead of an E, it's a D. And remember the B flat in G minor is B flat and an E flat here. And then here, instead of here, here. And then F sharp now, or G sharp would be an F. Here. You're using the notes in G minor and adjust for those sharp signs and so forth. Just go up a half step from wherever you are. So maybe it's a flat, now you're going to play a natural. Or if it's a natural, you're going to play a sharp, whatever it is. Then the chords, again, same thing. So we're at A minor here, and then we're going to take that down to a G minor. Next one is an E, which we're going to take down to a D, and it will be a major chord now, D major. Back to a G minor. I'm keeping the same major and minor quality. I'm just changing the letter. Then a measure 10 with a C becomes a B flat here because the G minor has a B flat in it. And it's a major triad. C is and then the 5/7 of that. And then back to the G minor. And then back what you were doing. So you figure out what the chords are, and then you put it all together and go have a beer or something, I guess. I don't know.